What's up YouTube, it's hip-hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about legendary rapper Nas, Hitboy, Ab-Soul and DaBaby. DaBaby cooking up in the studio with Nas, Ab-Soul, Big Hit and Hitboy, so let's check this out, the studio session, come on. You know guys, what is dope here? This is when two different type of rap music meets each other. You know, DaBaby's crazy style and vibe and Nas style. It's too different and together I think they can cook some legendary collaboration. I'm not a big fan of DaBaby, but if Nas recording with DaBaby, I'm with it. So guys, do you want to see more songs from DaBaby, Hitboy and Nasir Jones? Write your opinions in the comments below and now let's move to the next topic. And our next topic is about rapper Collab. Collab isn't a fan of tricking. Today she went to her social media page and shared the statement. So let's check this out. Collab, come on.
Happen. You think I'm gonna buy your love? I'm not about to do that all the time in my life, you know? I'm gonna find a real person in my life. Like, you know? I love that. And I'm not buying him no more Jordans.
So guys, how do you feel about this? Write your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe to YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphoptv.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.